Hey gentlemen, welcome back to Dental Miracle. Are you, or someone you know, missing a tooth? If so, you've probably looked into dental implants and gotten a massive sticker shock. The cost is just staggering, right? A single implant can set you back thousands of dollars, sometimes as much as a small car. It's a huge financial burden that puts a healthy, confident smile out of reach for millions of people around the world. We accept this as a fact of life. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be this way? What if there was a future, a very near future, where replacing a lost tooth was as affordable as a routine dental procedure? It sounds like science fiction, but it's closer to reality than you think. Stay with me, because we're about to explore a groundbreaking technology that could make dental implants a thing of the past and give everyone a reason to smile again. Get ready for this, because it's a game changer: tooth regeneration therapy. Scientists have developed a revolutionary new treatment that encourages your body to regrow its own natural tooth right in the empty socket. No more drilling into your jawbone, no more foreign materials like titanium or ceramic. We're talking about a real living tooth, complete with roots, dentin, and enamel, perfectly integrated with your jaw. It's the ultimate in biocompatible solutions because it's made by you, for you. This isn't just about filling a gap in your smile. It's about restoring the function and feel of a natural tooth. Imagine biting into an apple with a brand new, regrown tooth that feels completely your own. This is the solution we've all been waiting for, a true leap forward in dental medicine that promises to be safer, more natural, and believe it or not, significantly cheaper. So, how does this miracle of modern science actually work? It's fascinating. The process leverages the power of your body's own stem cells. When you lose a tooth, a small, specially designed scaffold made of biodegradable material is placed into the empty socket. This isn't just any material. It's infused with a special protein, a growth factor, that acts like a powerful signal. This signal calls your body's own stem cells to the site. Think of it like a construction foreman calling in the workers. These stem cells are incredible. They have the potential to become any type of cell. Guided by the scaffold and the growth factor, they begin to differentiate, transforming into the specific cells that build a tooth. Over a period of a few months, these cells work together, laying down the foundations of a new root and then building up the crown. The scaffold itself slowly and safely dissolves, leaving behind a brand new, fully formed tooth. It's a beautiful example of harnessing the body's innate healing power. Now for the part you've been waiting for: the cost. Let's do a direct comparison. A traditional dental implant procedure is a multi-stage, complex process. You have the cost of the implant itself, the abutment, the crown, the surgeon's fees, the prosthodontist's fees, CT scans, and potential bone grafts. All in, you're easily looking at a range of $3,000 to $6,000 for a single tooth, and sometimes even more. It adds up incredibly fast if you need multiple teeth replaced. Now, let's look at the new tooth regeneration therapy. The estimated cost for this procedure is projected to be around $500 to $1,000 per tooth. Let me say that again: $500 to $1,000. That's not a typo. We're talking about a potential cost reduction of up to 90%. This is the difference between an emergency fund-raining expense and an accessible, manageable healthcare cost. The financial barrier to a complete smile is about to be shattered. You're probably wondering, how can it be so much cheaper? It seems too good to be true, but the logic is sound. The primary reason for the lower cost is the simplicity and the materials involved. Traditional implants rely on expensive, high-tech components. The titanium posts are precision-engineered, the ceramic crowns are custom-milled in a lab, and the surgical procedures require highly specialized training and equipment. It's a long, complex supply chain with a lot of built-in costs. The new regeneration therapy, on the other hand, cuts out most of that. The main component is the biodegradable scaffold infused with the growth factor. While developing this was a scientific breakthrough, the materials themselves are not prohibitively expensive to manufacture at scale. You're eliminating the need for a custom-milled titanium post and a separate artificial crown. Instead of implanting a pre-made product, you're simply kicking off a natural biological process. The biggest cost saver. You're using your body's own resources to do most of the work. Let's zoom out and think about the global impact of this. The World Health Organization reports that complete tooth loss affects a significant portion of the elderly population worldwide. But it's not just an issue for seniors. Periodontal disease, injuries, and congenital conditions affect people of all ages. In many developing countries, the cost of a single implant can exceed the average annual income. This new therapy could change everything. It would make restorative dental care accessible to hundreds of millions of people who are currently priced out of the market. This isn't just about cosmetics, it's about public health. Missing teeth can lead to nutritional problems, difficulty speaking, and a loss of self-confidence that can affect mental health and social interactions. By making tooth replacement affordable, we could see a massive improvement in the quality of life for people all over the globe, from bustling cities to remote villages. The economic benefits extend far beyond individual savings. Think about the broader healthcare system. Widespread adoption of this affordable therapy could lead to a healthier population overall. People who can eat properly are less likely to suffer from malnutrition and related illnesses. A confident smile can improve mental health, reducing the burden on related support systems. There are also productivity gains. People won't have to miss as much work for complex multi-stage dental surgeries. They'll experience less pain and a quicker recovery. Furthermore, this creates a whole new sector within the dental industry, driving innovation, research, and manufacturing. Dentists and dental labs will need to be trained, and new facilities will be needed to produce the scaffolds. It's a virtuous cycle of economic and health benefits that could ripple through the entire global economy. Of course, we need to be realistic about the timeline. While the science is proven and human trials have been incredibly successful, this technology won't be available at your local dental clinic tomorrow. The next steps involve large-scale clinical trials and navigating the rigorous approval process of regulatory bodies like the FDA in the United States and similar agencies in other countries. This process is crucial to ensure long-term safety and efficacy. Best estimates from researchers suggest we could see this therapy become widely available within the next 5 to 10 years. There are also some limitations. Initially, the therapy may be most effective for specific types of tooth loss and may not be suitable for every patient, especially those with certain underlying health conditions. But as the technology matures, its applications will undoubtedly expand. So, what should you do with this information right now? If you're currently facing tooth loss and considering an implant, the 5 to 10 year timeline might feel like a long time to wait. For many, an implant today is still the best available option. My advice is this: don't delay necessary dental care. Talk to your dentist about your current options and make the best decision for your health right now. But also, stay informed and stay hopeful. Follow the news in dental research. Ask your dentist about emerging technologies during your checkups. The key is to be an active participant in your own healthcare. And most importantly, focus on prevention. The best way to avoid needing a tooth replacement is to take excellent care of the teeth you have. Brush, floss, and get regular checkups. Your future self will thank you. In conclusion, we are standing on the precipice of a new era in dentistry. The development of affordable tooth regeneration therapy is more than just a scientific achievement. It's a profound shift towards the democratization of dental care. For decades, a perfect smile has been a luxury item, a status symbol. This technology promises to turn it into a basic, accessible part of healthcare for everyone. It represents a future where your financial status doesn't determine your ability to eat, speak, and smile with confidence. This is a future where science serves humanity in one of the most fundamental ways possible, by restoring not just teeth, but dignity and quality of life. The future of dentistry isn't just bright, it's brilliant, and it's for everyone. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this look into the future of dentistry as exciting as I did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on the amazing scientific breakthroughs that are changing our world. Let me know in the comments what you think about this technology. Would you try it? See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.